What's up, my gangsters? And this is your DIY Mafia Boss. Now, ever since I DIY'd myself as a Mafia Boss, I've always wanted to have my own posse. So from this video onwards, I will be calling all my subscribers my gangsters. Cool, right? Come on guys, work with me. For today, or for this video episode, I would be unboxing and giving you a first glance of this. The DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, I got this off at Best Buy somewhere in the Midwestern United States for a retail price of $349 US, and I could practically hear my nephew JJ in the background yelling, "Plus tax!" Now, I'm not selling you this product. In fact, I'm here to share to all of you, my gangsters and YouTubers who like my new toy, so I could bring you better videos and vlogs. Well, I hope I could do that. Bring better videos and vlogs with this one. Now, I caught wind about this gadget late in December of 2018, just when I was about to do my unboxing of my newly purchased Olympus TG tracker, which I got off from Amazon. I will leave the link for this video unboxing below. When I tried purchasing this off on Amazon, they were just taking orders or reservations for this Osmo Pocket, and stocks would only be available in late December. So I decided I would try getting one after Christmas once I've gone through the paces for my TG tracker. Now let's get down to unboxing this bad boy. Now off the bat, we can see that the box itself is small, signifying that the contents herein is probably of the same size. So here are some paperworks. This one is in Chinese. Okay, this one is for some information. Okay, for information about the gadget itself, you would want to find some information probably on the website. So there you go. And you have this Osmo shield. Open in the box. Whoa, okay. Now, yep, it's small. It's pocket small. So upon purchasing, you'll be getting the Osmo Pocket device, or the gadget, or the camera itself, this one here, and its case, or supposedly its protector. Okay. Now, let me lay all this out for you guys before we proceed. So for size comparison, this is my iPhone 8 Plus. So the Osmo is small indeed. Now, it's not like it's small because it's folded or anything. So nothing to pull out or extend to make this longer. Nope, none. And stuffed inside the case are the other items that comes with it. And stuffed inside this case here are the items that comes with it, like the paperwork, which I really don't need right now. Okay. Probably when I can figure out the whys and hows of this, then I'll be getting back to it. You'll also be getting adapters for connecting our smartphones to the device. Now this one's for Android smartphones. Okay. You also have one for iPhones. Okay, good. You also have a charging cable. Let's see what type. Let's see what type it is. It's a USB Type C. Good. You also have a strap, a wrist strap, or a lanyard for whatever purposes it may serve you or your Osmo Pocket. Would you believe that this here is marketed as an action cam? I mean, really? This is an action cam. This one's the TG tracker I was mentioning earlier. This is an action cam. I've had this for a while now, and it's an Olympus as well. This is an action cam. This is the newest of the series of the GoPro. It's the GoPro 7 Black. Not mine, just loaned it for the weekend from a friend. I'm a bit hesitant to show you this, but this is also an action cam, although a cheap knockoff of the SJ cams, but still an action cam. As anyone can see, this DJI Osmo Pocket is a whole lot different in terms of physical appearance of what an action cam may look like. I mean, I could go underwater with all of this, yes, definitely, no problem. But with this, it scares me to even stand next to a faucet. But the main reason why I was interested and eventually decided to get this, because it feels awkward using this. This is my Osmo Mobile 2 stabilizer. Size-wise, the Osmo Pocket is a lot more covert or stealthy, so you won't be calling anyone's curiosity like this one would. Although I would say this one does a damn good stabilizing job. I'm happy with it. But this one's gonna level up my game. Yeah, this one's gonna be my go-to vlogging baby now. This would definitely lighten my travel gear for sure. No need to lug, no need to lug this along. Here's a rundown of the key features for the Osmo Pocket. First and foremost, it's a 3-axis mechanical gimbal camera. So when you say mechanical gimbal, it's not what your DJI Tracker as well as your GoPro 7 has, which is actually a digital stabilizer. It is compact in design, measuring in less than 5 inches in height with a weight of about 116 grams. It shoots 4K videos up to 60 FPS. It connects with just about any smartphones in the market today. It shoots 12 megapixels JPEG or RAW still photos. It has an 80-degree field of view. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It's got active track and face track modes. Also allows for time-lapse and motion lapse. And it does night shots and panoramic modes. So there you go. This is everything and more that you can get for $349 plus tax. So that's it, my gangsters. I'll do my best to go out there and run this Osmo thing through its paces and see if I could better my vlogs and videos with it. I may only give my review for this Osmo Pocket thing after several months toying or playing with it, and I hope by then you'll still be interested. Leave your comments and suggestions below, and oh, don't forget to like this video. And to all of you out there who wants to join the Mafia Bosses family, hit that subscribe button now, and thanks for watching.